Honestly, I am super prone to sunburn. Are you?
Yeah, I am too.
It's like I get out in the sun and
I have to carry sunscreen in my purse wherever I go.
So this recipe is perfect for the days where you forget your sunscreen and get tomatoized. For this recipe, you'll need 2 ounces of aloe vera gel. You're gonna wanna make sure that it is 100% pure aloe vera gel. A lot of aloe vera gels at stores have a lot additives that aren't necessarily natural. And you'll want 20 drops of our Bumps and Boo-Boos blend, which is super soothing. It'll help with inflammation and help your body heal itself, and a teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. So to start, you can just pour all of this aloe vera in there.
Okay. So there's 2 ounces in here?
Yep. All right, then you're gonna add 20 drops of the Bumps and Boo-Boos essential oil blend.
Okay.
And then a 1/4 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil, and that comes in your big bonus box if you are a subscriber. This helps dilute the essential oil and is also good for your skin as well. So once those are in there, you're gonna wanna stir it. It can be helpful to have a little whisk for this, but a spoon does work. You'll know that it's mixed in once it gets a little bit cloudy. Otherwise, the oil will just kind of sit on top of the aloe, so you'll wanna get it a good stir to actually get it to incorporate into the aloe vera gel. That's looking pretty good.
Okay.
So you can see that it's not as clear as it was before because the oil has been mixed in. And then once that's ready, you can pour it into a sealable container like this cute little guy. So you want to store it in a sealable container, and when you're ready to use it, you can put a little bit on your skin. It'll help cool it. You can use this on little cuts and scrapes, along with sunburn as well.
Nice.
I'm Katie.
I'm Libby.
We're from Simply Earth, and we love giving people confidence and clarity with essential oils. To get more great recipes like this one, check out our recipe box where we'll send you 4 full-size essential oils plus extras every month to make great recipes like this one. Just go to simplyearth.com/box.
Another great resource that you can use is to head over to our website and click on the recipes and articles link. That'll bring you to our blog page, which has a ton of different articles and recipes that you can make just like this one.
Thanks for watching.
See ya!
Mommy, I put aloe on my face so I don't get burned.